The Lord be with you.
and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew.
Glory to you, O Lord.
As Jesus and his disciples were gathering in Galilee, Jesus said to them, "The Son of Man is to be handed over to men, and they will kill him, and he will be raised on the third day." And they were overwhelmed with grief. When they came to Capernaum, the collectors of the temple tax approached Peter and said, "Does not your teacher pay the temple tax?" "Yes," he said. When he came into the house, before he had time to speak, Jesus asked him, "What is your opinion, Simon? From whom do the kings of the earth take tolls or census tax? From their subjects or from foreigners?" When he said, "From foreigners," Jesus said to him, "Then the subjects are exempt. But that we may not offend them, go to the sea, drop in a hook, and take the first fish that comes up. Open its mouth, and you will find a coin worth twice the temple tax. Give that to them for me and for you." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Magandang umaga po ulit sa inyong lahat, and welcome to the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Paminsan-minsan makakakita tayo ng mga tao na tinatawag natin na feeling entitled, feeling na special sila. And because they feel special, they feel that they need to be accorded special privileges or special exemptions. Minsan mayroong isang high official ng isang institution, mayroon sa isang ospital, so pumunta siya dun sa cashier and he was settling the accounts. Tapos meron silang hindi masyado nagkakaintindihan, sabi nung official, sabi dun sa person behind the desk, sabi niya, "Kilala mo ba kung sino ako?" Sabi nung, of course, he was expecting na magkakaroon siya ng special privilege and so on and so forth. So the other guy behind the desk said, "Sino nga po ba kayo?" So hindi siya kilala. So hindi siya nakakuha ng, ang hirap sagutin, di ba? Kasi ang expectation mo, kilala ka, magkakaroon ka ng special privilege, pero hindi nangyari. Tawag dun entitlement, di ba? Now you feel like you're special and therefore you need to have special privileges and sometimes special exemptions. In the gospel that we have read, Jesus maybe could have said to the people collecting temple tax, "Kilala mo ba kung sino ako? Hindi mo alam ako anak ng sinasamba ninyo?" Parang ganun, ano? But he did not. He did not claim his entitlement. In fact, dahil kilala niya yung sarili niya in this particular case as Jesus, he was not only the Son of God, he was also the Son of Man. Not only was he God, he was also human. And not only was he human, he, as a person in his situation where he lived, a resident or a foreigner of the place where he was at, he was expected to pay tax according to law, di ba? And so Jesus did not claim na, "Hindi niyo ba ako kilala? Ako'y anak ng Diyos. Anak ako na kung bakit nga merong tax dyan dahil sa akin, sa tatay ko. We belong to that family. And so ang feeling is I don't need to pay tax. As God, He has superiority over everything. But as a human person, he recognized that he was also a human person, tao. And therefore, he had to give to, as he said, to give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. To follow the law that human beings were following because he was in that human world. Kilala niya kung sino siya. And he did not claim entitlement for that. Alam niya na siya ay Diyos, pero alam niya siya rin ay tao. Maganda yung sinasabi sa atin sa first reading, kung ano ba yung hinihingi ng Diyos sa mga Israelites. And I guess in like manner, hinihingi din ng Diyos sa atin at for us individually. What is God asking of us? He's asking us, according to the first reading from Deuteronomy, to fear the Lord and follow His ways. Yun yung responsibility, yun yung hinihingi sa atin ng Panginoon, to fear the Lord and follow His ways, to love and serve the Lord, your God, with all your heart and all your soul, to keep the commandments and the statutes of the Lord, and to befriend the alien, because we were once aliens ourselves. So lahat ng mga hiningi sa atin ng Panginoon, o hiningi ng Panginoon sa mga Israelites, and from us as well, never for our own benefit, but for the benefit of others and for God's benefit, for God, in reverence for God. Lahat palabas, papunta sa Diyos, papunta sa kapwa, sa mga nangangailangan, sa mga feeling estranged, never entitlement. And if you look at the life of Jesus and the things that He taught us, He never taught we need to claim our special role because we are children of God. Never did that. On the contrary, He recognized, in fact, in the beginning of the gospel, He recognized that He was going to suffer and die and rise again. But never claimed exemption, never claimed entitlement. He was there to give of Himself, knowing His role, and He was there to give. The Lord has done great and terrible and marvelous things for us. Okay, we are expected to give thanks, to be thankful, and to show that gratitude by giving as well to others as we have received. So, lagi dapat palabas yun ang tinuturo sa atin ng Panginoon. To do the will of God, to follow God, to know God, and to do the will of God by being good to our neighbors, to those around us. Hingin natin ngayon ang tulong ni St. Clare. We ask St. Clare to help us so that we may not think too much of ourselves, but rather to think more of others and how we can serve them and how we can be of help to them and how we can make their lives better, which is what God did, which is what God continues to do for us.